Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. In this series, I'll talk about weather events that occurred in the United States on the same date as the video was posted in years past. Today, that date is March 6th. On this day in 1875, heavy snow fell in much of Arkansas, with the top spots being in the central and western parts of the state. Little Rock saw a dozen inches, which to this day is the record for most snowfall on a single day on record for the capital city. Mena saw 30 inches of snow on that day. On this day in 1962, the strongest nor'easter of the century struck the mid-Atlantic region from March 5th through the 9th, 1962. It is known as the Ash Wednesday storm and caused over 200 million 1962 United States dollars in damage and significant coastal erosion from North Carolina to Long Island, New York. It was estimated to have destroyed or significantly damaged 45,000 homes in New Jersey alone. The Red Cross recorded that the storm killed 40 people. It hit during spring tide when the sun and moon are in phase. They produce a higher than average astronomical tide. Water reached 9 feet in Norfolk, Virginia. Flooding begins around 5 feet. Houses were toppled into the ocean, and boardwalks were broken and twisted. The islands of Chincoteague, Virginia, and Assateague, Maryland, were completely underwater. Ocean City, Maryland, sustained significant damage, mainly to the island's south end. Winds up to 70 miles per hour built 40-foot waves at sea. Heavy snow fell in the Appalachian Mountains. Big Meadows, southeast of Luray, recorded Virginia's greatest 24-hour snowfall with 33 inches and the most significant single snowstorm with 42 inches. Luray, Virginia reported 33.5 inches from March 2nd to the 3rd, 1994, making this layer snow their maximum 24-hour snowfall total. Roads were blocked and electrical service was out for several days. Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, Maryland fell into the mixed precipitation zone. The Ash Wednesday storm is noteworthy for producing devastating tidal flooding along the Atlantic coast and record snows in the interior of Virginia. The extremely high tides and massive waves caused tremendous damage, worse than many hurricanes that have hit the region. Along the Atlantic coast, tide ran for 2 to 6 feet above average, with 20 to 40 feet waves crashing ashore. National Airport received only 4 inches of snow, with a liquid equivalent of 1.33 inches. However, close-in suburbs such as Silver Spring, Maryland, and Falls Church, Virginia, received 11 inches of snow. Outlying areas such as Rockville, Maryland, received 19 inches of snow, and Leesburg, Virginia, received 20 inches of snow. Other snow totals included 15 inches at Richmond, 23 inches in Culpeper, 26 inches in Charlottesville, 32 inches in Winchester, and 35 inches in Fort Royal, Virginia, and Big Meadows on the Skyline Drive topped the list with 42 inches of snow. On this day in 2010, the Orange County coast in Southern California saw at least 7 funnel clouds. 2 were spotted near John Wayne Airport and 5 off the coast of Crystal Cove. On this day in 2014, the Great Lakes saw some of their worst ice covers in nearly 4 decades because of a frigid winter with months of well below freezing temperatures in large sections of the northern United States. The National Ocean and Atmospheric Administration said, as of March 6, 2014, the federal agency said that 92.2% of the 5 lakes were under ice, breaking a record set in 1973, but still short of the 94.7% established in 1979. That will do it for this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because every time there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video, and please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video.